you go, man. He's a keeper. So far. There's one right there. They are not trying to chase it. Oh, oh. Okay, never mind. Finally got one to freaking hit it. Good fish too. Put my foot down as an anchor so I don't drift into the stuff I'm still trying to fish. It's a good fish. Oh, bitch. Get out of that freaking rudder, man. Are you freaking serious? Some bitch. Solid fish, dude. On the spoon. Heck yeah, man. That's a solid fish right there. Yeah, if you see them up in shallow like this, like right up on the grass, then a soft plastic weedless is your best option. Out in the open, I prefer something like a spoon or a wake bait, but they didn't want to really eat the wake bait. So there you go, man. On the spoon? Yeah. They're hitting that spoon. Nice fish, man. Yeah. You gotta kind of reach for everything on a kayak. Damn, that's a nice one. Spoons are working when nothing else would. About 24 or so, but he's definitely slot. Dang it, man, get him again. Hitting this thing. Yeah, he's definitely slot. The way he was pulling drag. Yeah, I'm not gonna let him get under me. The one I had earlier went under the rudder and got hung up twice. So now's the time for you to put a little more slack and put your rod tip full up in the air. Up in the air, keep going, keep pulling it, keep pulling it. Okay, right there, now switch hands with your rod. Now grab your net with your right hand. Now your net's going to be on the correct side of the kayak without you reaching way up. There you go. See how much easier that is? You see how you're not like twisting and trying to reach over, you know, and then putting the kayak to lean and all that. Little tips and tricks, man, that I learned the hard way. Oh, you're using a small spoon too. That's good to know. What is that, a 1/8 ounce?
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll work, man.
Excellent. So.
Oh, there we go. He has to have it in his mouth. He bumped it 3 times. Oh, it's a better one.
Noisy.
It's a good one if it's a flounder. Oh, man. Dang. Dang, that's that 20-inch one I lost the other day. I knew he'd be here.
Waiting for you.
Heck yeah, man.